Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video tutorial, CE related board exam problem. So, given tayo ng parabol cable dito. Tuturo ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng mabilis. So, let's start. Proceed tayo sa number 1. Basahin muna natin yung problem. The suspended girder shown is supported by a series of hanger uniformly spaced along a parabolic cable. It is a symmetrical cable. What is the tension at the lowest point of the parabolic cable? Point P. Ang hinahanap dito is yung minimum tension at point P. And dito makikita yung minimum tension and yung maximum tension naman is palaging nasa support. Ito yung maximum tension. So, paano makuha yung minimum tension? Ito lang yung kailangan tandaan na formula. Tmin is equals to WL squared over 8D. Applicable lang to for a symmetric parabolic cable. So, substitute lang. W, yung weight, na 15 kilonewton per meter times yung L, yung total length na 24 meters squared nyo lang yan times 8 times D, which is yung sag na 3 meters, and makukuha nyo na yung minimum tension na 360 kilonewton. Ito na yung final answer. So, number 2, what is the total reaction at support A? Total reaction, para makuha nyo yung total reaction at support A, kunin nyo lang yung resultant nung vertical reaction at A and yung horizontal reaction at A. Ito lang yung formula. Note that yung Tmax is equals to reaction at C and yung Tmax dito is equals to reaction at A. Therefore, ang hinahanap lang dito sa number 2 is yung maximum tension. Tmax, ito yung formula natin na gagamitin. Tmax is equals to square root of Tmin squared plus, bago pala natin ipagpatuloy yung formula, yakat na muna natin to, yung cable niya, and aking i-consider lang natin is yung left side. Ito lang yung i-consider niya, itong part na to, since symmetrical naman siya. Bale, magiging W, yung weight na 15 times yung length na L over 2. L over 2. Yun yung square niya. Substitute nyo lang. Nag-given na tayong minimum tension na 360 squared. Nakuha na natin kanina. Yung W na 15 and yung kalahati ng 24 which is 12. Squared nyo. And yung total reaction at A, which is the maximum tension, yun yung hinahanap. So, ang magiging sagot dito is magiging sagot dito is 402.49 kilonewton. Ito yung final answer. Number 3. What is the resulting sag? Ang hinahanap naman sa number 3 is yung sag. Para makuha nyo yung sag sa number 3, may given tayo na Tmax na 300. Gamitin nyo lang yung formula kanina sa number 2. Ito. Saka natin substitute. Maximum tension, 300. Makukuha niyo yung sag, minimum sag, dito sa formula ng timing. Yung binigay ko kanina. W, L squared, yung total length na 24 over 8D squared plus W times 12 squared. Dito, makukuha nyo na yung sag na hinahanap. Times 12. You get answer of 4.5 meter. So, yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you!